Good morning, students. 8th standard science, muscles. The topic is muscles. Muscles in the body to provide the means of all the movement. So, the involving all the movement of the body. They cover the skeletal framework. The bone is covered by the muscles. And also they give the shape of the body. So the different shape of the body. The muscles help the maintaining the body posture while sitting, and they have in a standing or in the walking. So to give the different shape and the different posture, different movement when they are sitting, standing, or they have in a walking. So they have in a different forms. Most muscles are a long bundle of contractile tissue. So they occur in a contractile tissue. Each muscles they consist of two ends. Each muscles consists of two ends. First one is called a fixed end. So first one, a fixed end, where the muscles are originated. So the muscles are originated. Where they are originated? On this region, they have a fixed ends are present. And the second one is called movable. So the movable end is a drawn out from tough structure. Is a drawn out. So they have a drawn out. They have yes, tough structures are present. It is called the tendons. So the tendon is used for to attach the bone. So the muscles they attach the skeletal system with the help of tendons. So tendon is there to attach between the muscles and they have a bone. When they stimulate the nerve for the muscle contraction, with the presence of the nerve impulse, so the muscles become the contraction to become the shorter and the thicker. So due to the contraction, the muscles become the shorter and also they have a thicker. There's the pulse. It is a pulse. The bone is movable at the end. The muscles can contract and then relax. So the muscles they become to contract and relax. They cannot be lengthening. So the sizes become to contract and expand, not in the lengthening. So during the movement of the muscles, the movement of the muscles, they have two important ends. One is called a fixed end. So they are where they are originated. Then they have a movable end. It's drawn out the muscles. So they have a hardest structure is called the tendons. So the tendons are used to connect the bone as well as the muscles. They are used for the contraction and the expansion of the muscles. Here they have a contract and relaxation occur. They cannot be lengthening. They cannot be so lengthening. Muscles often work in the pad. So normally, the muscles work in the pad condition. So the pad means, so one is the used for the contraction, so another one is used for the expansion. So which work against each other, it means opposite each other. So the two type of muscles, the two type of structure, they opposite to each other. So it is called a Antagonistic. Antagonistic. It means they have an opposite to each other. The muscles of the upper arms. Muscles of the upper arms. So the bending and the straightening of the arms. Upper arms, so to control the bending and they have a straightening of the arms. Bending and the straightening of the arms, they are controlled by the upper arms. Here they are having two muscles are involved. So during the bending of the upper arms, so they are having two muscles are involved. One is called the biceps, another is called the triceps. So the two muscles are involved for the movement of the arms, working to against each other. When the biceps is a contract, the lower arms rise and the arm is bent. So the biceps, so they become to contract. Biceps is become to contract. So the muscles become to contract. So the arms, they become to bend. So when the biceps contract, the lower arms, they rise and arms is bent. In this position, the triceps muscles become to expand. Triceps muscles are so expand and they have in a relaxing position. But in the position of the triceps muscles are relaxed. Here, so they contracts, here they have a relaxed condition. When they have a bending. The triceps is become to contract. So the arms is become to straight. The contract, the straightening of the arms. While the biceps is become to relaxed. Here, so the having a triceps is become to contract. So the hand is become to straight. During this time, the biceps is become to relaxed condition. So the biceps and the triceps are work in opposite direction. So when the biceps is a relaxed condition. Antagonistic, the muscles can be found all over the body. So all over the body, so they have the opposite functions are occur in the muscles. So they become the normal functions of the body. So they become the normal functions of the body. In the same way, so the iris. So what is the iris? So the part of the eye. So they have part of the eye. So the central part of the iris. So they have a small opening. So the opening is called a pupil. So they have an iris. The central part is called a pupils. Is used for the better vision. There are two sets of muscles. There are two set of muscles. One is called radial muscles. They look like your spokes. They occur in the cycle wheel. So first one is called radial muscles. So another muscle is called a circular muscles. So they have another muscles. They have a circular muscles. So the iris of the eye, they consist of two type of muscles. One is called radial muscles. Look like spokes. They occur in the cycle B. So another one is called a circular muscles. So the radial muscles, they make the pupil of the eye is become to wider. So the radial muscles, so the contractions occur. So the width of the spoke, the width of the pupil is become to increase. So it is used for the wider of the pupil. So the radial muscles are used for the expansion of the width of the pupil. But in a circular muscles, so they use it for the contraction of the pupil. It means the width is become too smaller. So width is become the smaller. So they having a contraction of the circular muscles. So they divide. So they having a opening of the pupil. Opening of the pupil is become too smaller. So reduce the opening, reduce the width of the pore. Reduce the width of the pore. So in the human body, so they become the normal function. So they occur, the muscles that occur in opposite direction. They have two examples. One is called the forceps and the triceps. So another is called the iris of the human eye. So thank you very much, students.